Hi, I'm Derek, and this is Nick with Principal LED, and today we're going to go over how to install corners on the StreetWrap Gen 2. With both miter cuts made, continue with the installation as normal. First, placing the track onto the mounting brackets. Once both are on, make sure the corner is lined up before adding the lens to the track. Once both lenses have been snapped onto the track, apply some adhesive, silicone base preferably, to the outside corner end cap and slip it over. For more information, please visit our website at p-led.com.